Alright, so if you're completely new and want to set up BlueStacks, yeah, don't worry. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can get it running smoothly on your PC. First, go to the official BlueStacks website and download the installer for Windows or Mac. Now open the installer and click Install. It will automatically set everything up for you. After installation, open BlueStacks. The first launch might take a bit longer while it sets up Android. Next, sign in with your Google account so you can access apps from the Play Store. Now go into settings and adjust basics like language, performance, and display resolution if needed. Once setup is complete, open the Play Store and you're ready to install apps and games. Search for any app or game, click Install, and it will download just like on a phone. If things feel slow, you can increase RAM or CPU usage from the settings for smoother performance. And yeah, that's how you set up BlueStacks as a beginner. Once it's done, you're ready to run Android apps and games easily on your PC.